our today's video, we are going to unbox a DJI Osmo Action 3. And also we are going to unbox a SanDisk Extreme 256 GB. So hii ndo Extreme card.
Rejesha nyuma kidogo. Hapo kwa sawa. That's an SD. Wow. Guys, the packaging is very nice.
Yeah. Hi. So I have researched a lot about this action camera. And inatoka kama iPhone.
Wow. Wasewa iPhone
iPhone.
Sisi hatuna iPhone. We will own them in future.
I'm saying I have researched about this product a lot, and it's let me give credit to Mike. He said he want us to improve the content so he can watch before kwa TV yake.
Shout out to you, Mike.
Thank you for the suggestion. So this is the camera.
Wow.
Kadogo.
Very small. Chini, babe, chini. Yeah, hapo.
Kadogo sana.
Hey, guys. You can see. Nini, hold it on your arm.
Tunaweza vlog hadi hivi.
Imagine, and no one can realize. Eka chini unique.
Tunaweza vlog
hivyo, yeah.
Umetoshea mkono yangu.
And no one can even realize that this is a camera or this guy is holding a camera.
It's also ukivlog na mtu wa atoroki.
Yeah.
Video mama kitaraka. So hii hata toroka.
So my mom anaogopa nikimchukua video anaogopa. Sasa I don't know kwa nini yeye utoroka. Maybe because the phone is too big. But the camera is very small. You see, guys.
Hapa tuna hiyo.
Now this is the power bank. And the batteries. 3 batteries.
So hapa kuvlog na pia zina moto.
Yeah. We're going to put them on moto.
Hizo ni hizi vitu za kusoma.
Zinaitwa ngaje hizo?
Sijui ni
menu. See? You see, baby, it has its own.
Iko na charger, lakini the disadvantage hatuna charger ya DJI.
Header.
So naona hapa ni hapa zafanana. Naona kwa kamera.
So you need to have a header.
A header yake uone ebuleta charger nyingine uone.
Like this one. I understand what you are trying to say. So you mean it cannot fit easy normal headers?
It cannot fit kwa our charger. So nimebuy
the one that can fit. It is here. Sure.
So let me show you people. Lakini this cable ni poa. Tukipata hiyo charger ya DJI.
We don't, but we'll get it.
We will get it. Na ukitransfer kwa hizi laptop mpya they use this Type-C. So tutatumia hii for the time being.
You know how much, babe?
2 so.
But the camera is there, guys.
But the disadvantage hii ni 20 watts na hii ni 10 watts.
So this one is
charged slowly.
But we can bear with that.
Tulipata hiyo DJI, kichwa ya DJI. So tutatumia hii.
My phone is now going to be demoted from the camera of this YouTube.
Yeah, so
because we have buy our new camera.
What is this? Pia iko na hii package.
Nini?
Hiyo ni silica gel ya kufanya isikuwe wet.
Oh.
So hii ndo nilikuwa nawaambia, hizi ni vitu za nini. So I don't think kuna kitu ingine. Guys, I forgot this one.
Where is the selfie stick?
Hapa tufunguaje bana. Haina kitu sasa. Sasa hii ndo selfie stick. Naiona.
Ni mrefu? Ama ni fupi tu?
Sijui. I researched it nikaona kama ni ndefu. Ni ndefu.
Guys, you can see the urefu.
I think hii ni 1 meter.
Hey.
Yeah. Hii ni 1 meter. But tunaweza vlog tu nako vipoa.
Yeah.
Pia kanika kama unaweza stick kwa nini?
Kagani yako?
Kwa gari.
We guys. Tutanunua kamera na nini gari.
Kanashika.
It's so hard.
It's so hard.
So mi uona watu wameweka hizi kwa gari cameras zina record and I was like
what do they do?
Watafanya aje? So this is the real deal. Okay, now
ni kagumu, kanashika na nguvu sana.
So we are going to also buy our own car.
We are preparing for the
future. Yeah. So what I was trying to tell you guys is that when you are buying these electronics, like a television, a camera, a laptop, a phone, anything that is electronic, please
think of the future.
Think of the future and research. Make sure the features are going hand in hand with the future. The future, like for example, now the way we have researched about our phone, our television. Yani in this house we really researched before we make a move.
Of this camera took us two years.
2 months.
2 months.
But before even 2 months, we have been researching, babe.
Yeah.
Remember? Even
it has
magnetic. Guys, can you see
they
that?
They are very strong. For now, sijajua kuzitumia. Mpaka you feel that click. Then
let me touch it. I also want to kutia tabarak kwa camera.
There's hapa hiyo magnet.
Hapa chini?
Kama mtu anaweza toa, hebu jaribu kutoa.
Mtoe. Apana.
It's very strong.
Very strong. I cannot remove it with one hand, guys.
Yeah. Sijaizoea sana. So
we are going now to learn on how to use this camera step by step, and we're going to be pros like how we do it in this channel. And then what else do we want to tell our people, babe?
I'm just hapa unafinya huku ndio itoke.
Like there is one thing we also want to tell people, babe. Why are we doing this?
Why are we doing hii mambo ya camera? Tumefanya this investment. Why? Because
babe, nichande camera ikuone kidogo and then try again. Mimi nitakuja wapi?
Utakuja?
I am coming. I must tell them. Yeah. Oh, okay. Why are we doing this?
Why are we buying this car expensive camera? Car expensive.
It's very expensive. Very expensive, guys. You cannot even compare. the price. But we are going to eat ugali and
Yes,
moga for the rest of this one. But we also hope you guys are going to subscribe, share, like, comment, so that our channel can grow big and it can pay itself in future when we get monetized. So I was telling you guys, why are we doing this? Number one, we want,
this is an investment, and YouTube is a business, so this is our business.
Yeah, we want,
and we have tested YouTube. We have seen it has a lot of potential.
Kwani ni kama Yesu ati mwonje Yesu
tumemwonja basi YouTube.
Yeah, guys,
tumeona ni mtamu. Sasa tunataka kuimprove content
and bring you guys good content. And also we also want to learn some good skills and new skills like shooting. We have never imagined like we can own a camera. We used to shoot with our phones, but now God has been so faithful. We have our first camera here, so that means we are going to improve our
videos,
and also we are going to be consistent, guys.
Yeah.
You cannot own something expensive like this and you let it stay in your house, maybe in kabati, or you just place it wherever you place it and you are not producing content. So if you have something expensive like this and something good, you will also get motivated. You will also want to produce good content, to be consistent. Like even after you have produced content, you want to edit it and post it, guys. So this one is also like a push up for us.
So we are just praying for God to bless the work of our
hands. Amen. God will bless our work, and also to the space. This camera can also save you a lot of space. As you can see here, the SD card is to 250 GB. 256. Yeah, 256 GB, guys. So
but at the start tutakuwa tunashoot 1080 because we don't have a powerful computer,
but you're going to own it. You see, guys, you tap into,
we are tapping in the future.
You say those big things that we want and they are going to come through.
So tukipata 4K computer that can handle 4K, don't shoot 4K.
Yeah,
for now tuna shoot 1080.
Yeah, and we are so happy, as you can see on our faces here.
So happy. Now we want to test.
So let's test. Okay.
Let us remove this character.
Yeah.
Tumeka vazura. Pia inakuja na this cage ya ni kama cover ya kuprotect this camera. So ni shoot na chini.
Okay. Hizi karatasi zimeweka white.
So hizi zimeisha. Pia iko na label ya DJI, hii unaweza weka kwa computer. So
our camera is DJI.
We are also claiming a DJI
drone.
So these are the package.
I don't know if you guys can see. This is DJI. This is a DJI brand.
And so this is it. Na kuko screen tunaweka nini battery na USB na inanisumbua jina
camera
micro SSD SanDisk.
Oh yeah.
So wapi hapa ndo tunaweka hapa, tunaweka charge hapa.
Charge
hapa ndo kwa kucharge.
Please connect the charge even
We
if
test.
yeah, we have to confirm that it is functioning. Which one are you going to use? The new one?
No. Hiyo new one haina hii kitu.
Oh,
so, guys,
I have forgot.
Hii ni female to female or male to male. But hapa ndo kwa kucharge, but wacha niweke nini? Niweke battery.
Okay.
Hapa vitu mpya bana. Tutafungua vipi?
Well, sinaona kama una push huku babe. Mama, hiyo label ni wapi?
Makofi hapo kwa
you follow the signs.
So mnaona haina battery.
Yeah, it's empty. I want to put
na
the
pia SSD hakuna.
No, this is the cover babe.
Sasa huwezi weka kwa hii cover na hujaweka hizi vitu.
Okay.
Battery haina moto, mwaiona.
Abu, read the menu. Do you supposed to charge the battery before starting it or?
Mimi nimeresearch but let's charge tuone. To charge ama ndo tukuje guys.
Let's pause.
Yeah, to charge.
On.
Akisha.
Tueleze sasa.
Sasa we have ika kitu. I don't know the name.
Maybe power bank. Let's call it
power
a power bank.
Yeah, it can store 3 batteries and ina charge haraka.
Like the first battery, it has already
full. Pia you can store either my memory card.
Yeah.
Yeah, here. Hapa mahali hapa tu.
Yeah, it has its space.
And I like it because inajaa haraka.
Because tayari tumeiweka kwa charger pale, as you can see, one is full already.
Na tunatumia charger ya 10 watts. So if tukiget ya 20 watts
ni 5 minutes kujaa.
Zinajaa haraka.
So let's go back to our video and we'll switch on our camera. We are going to use one battery which is full already.
So let's go there.
Yeah.
So guys, battery imejaa.
Very full.
Very full. So acha tuweke battery. Tuweka tu hivyo. Na imeshashika. Sasa ni tu vajura hii.
Kisu ni kali. Sikukate, chunga. We are unboxing now our SD Extreme card.
Yeah, we said inahitaji juu.
The big space. Yeah.
4K ni mob. Hata ukiwatch kwa TV.
You enjoy. And guys, now the world is moving to the digital things. Like now people are wanting to enjoy watching YouTube.
Anataka the highest quality.
Like if you can touch someone.
Haona venye anaweza ona na macho yake.
So that's an SD 256 GB. Position.
So batteries, tujamuelezea this feature. These are the magnet in the lens. Hapa ni kwa unafinya kama unataka kushoot. Kushoot haraka. In the power button.
So if you want to shoot very fast, you just press here.
But sahi tunataka kuactivate. Kuactivate, walisema to download an app called DJI Mimo. So niko nayo hapa kwa simu. So let's go to that process of activating.